Generally, construction trucks equipped with large drums are used to transport large quantities of concrete from production plants to construction sites. In this episode, we will show the 10 most amazing concrete trucks in the world. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Number 10, Merlo DBM 3500. Merlo DBM 3500 is a reliable and efficient truck that has been manufactured in Italy. It is designed to work in tough conditions. All the wheels are motorized and directional, and it can move diagonally. It measures 5.4 meters in length and weighs 7.4 tons. The shovel capacity of 0.7 cubic meters and the drum volume is 5,000 liters. The engine capacity is 100 horsepower and can reach a speed of 40 kilometers per hour. Its water tank capacity is 930 liters and can produce 3.5 cubic meters of concrete. Number 9, Dieci L4700. Dieci L4700 is an agile and maneuverable truck that has been manufactured in Italy. Its four wheels are driving and directional, and its drum can rotate 180 degrees. Its self-loading shovel allows you to prepare the concrete anywhere. The total measure is 5.5 meters in length and weighs 6.7 tons. This drum truck shovel capacity is 0.6 cubic meters and the drum volume is 4,700 liters. Its engine capacity is 115 HP and can reach a speed of 24 kilometers per hour. Dieci L4700 has a water tank capacity of 630 liters and can produce 3.5 cubic meters of concrete. Number 8, Carmix 5.5 XL. Carmix 5.5 XL is a high-capacity and high-performance truck that has been manufactured in Italy. It is designed to function as a mobile concrete production plant. Its four wheels are driving and directional, and it can move through difficult terrain. The measure is 6.2 meters in length and weighs 8.7 tons. It has an engine with 161 horsepower and can reach a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. Its shovel has a capacity of 0.6 cubic meters and its drum volume is 7,600 liters. It has two water tanks with a total capacity of 1,200 liters and can produce 5.5 cubic meters of concrete. Number 7, Oshkosh S Series. Oshkosh S Series is a high-capacity and performance truck that has been manufactured in the United States. Its excellent maneuverability and reduced turning radius allow it to handle easily both in the city and on rough terrain. It is designed to safely transport large amounts of concrete and quickly unload it. It has an engine of 400 horsepower and a drum volume of 8,500 liters. This front discharge concrete mixer truck is equipped with controls inside the cab which allow the operator to precisely move the concrete chute in all directions. Number 6, Mercedes Arocs. Mercedes Arocs is a robust and efficient truck that has been manufactured in Germany. It is designed to reduce fuel consumption and provide maximum performance. Its efficiency and high load capacity allow it to achieve a high productivity rate. It is equipped with a reinforced chassis and a high-quality corrosion-resistant steel drum. It measures 8.7 meters in length and its drum has a volume of 80 liters. It has an engine with 450 horsepower and reaches a speed of 120 kilometers per hour. It has a 650-liter water tank and can transport 8 concrete. Number 5, Liber FTM 1004T. It is a large capacity truck that has been manufactured in Germany. Its drum works with an electric drive and has proven its effectiveness in extreme weather conditions. It is designed to reduce fuel consumption and carbon emissions in the workplace. It has a 32 kilowatt-hour battery that provides power for a full day of work. It has an engine with 460 HP and its drum has a volume of 1,000 liters. This truck has been manufactured by the German company Liber, which applies innovative solutions to a wide range of concrete mixer trucks. Number 4, Freightliner 114SD. Freightliner 114SD is a strong and durable truck that has been made in the United States. It is designed to facilitate maintenance and reduce operating costs while maintaining productivity. It has lightweight components that allow it to increase its payload capacity. Its length is 9 meters and its drum capacity is 8,400 liters. It has an engine with 500 horsepower and can reach a speed of 120 kilometers per hour. Number 3, Kenworth T880. Kenworth T880 is a reliable and versatile truck that has been manufactured in the United States. It is designed to provide strength and endurance on tough jobs. It has a control system that checks the load condition and can also add the time it circulates to maintain the quality of the concrete. It is maintained with electronic control systems, a touchscreen, and a camera vision system that allows you to see the outside of the vehicle while you work. The measure is 7.3 meters in length and the drum volume is 8,000 liters. The engine capacity is 510 horsepower and can reach a speed of 120 kilometers per hour. Number 2, Mack Granite. Mack Granite is a truck with great power and durability that has been manufactured in the United States. The drum is installed on a specialized trailer that has steered rear axles. Its tight turning radius allows you to easily maneuver and access most construction sites. It is designed to allow the transport of larger amounts of concrete, reducing working time and operating costs. It has an engine with 505 horsepower and its drum volume is 11,500 liters. This truck belongs to the Australian company Hanson and is part of a large fleet of different trucks used for construction. Number 1, Western Star 47X. This is a new generation truck that has been manufactured in the United States. It is designed to deliver great power and productivity in the toughest working conditions. Western Star 47X has a high-strength chassis and a structure that is optimized for installing various equipment. It is equipped with an electronic system that displays performance data in real time to make decisions about its operation. It has an engine with 525 horsepower and its drum has a volume of 8,000 liters. The weight and length of the truck were reduced compared to previous versions to optimize its efficiency. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment saying what other types of trucks you would like to see a new video about. If you like this channel, please subscribe and turn on all notifications